Today we will compare two popular note-taking and productivity apps, Notion and Joplin. Let's dive into their interfaces, features and pricing to help you decide which one might best for you. First up, Notion. Known for its sleek and highly customizable interface, Notion combines notes, databases, tasks and calendars all in one workspace. Its clean design and drag and drop capabilities allows users to create pages with various content blocks, making it ideal for both personal and team use. Notion also offers a wide range of templates from project management to personal planning, making it easy to start right away. The AI features in Notion help with writing, idea generation, and summarizing content, adding an extra layer of functionality. When it comes to pricing, Notion offers a free version suitable for personal use with limitations on file uploads. The paid plan starts at $10 per month for personal pro features, and the business plan costs $15 per month, unlocking advanced permission and more collaborative features. Next, let's take a look at Joplin. Joplin is an open source note-taking app designed primarily for privacy and simplicity. Its interface is straightforward with support for plain text, markdowns, and multimedia notes. Unlike Notion, Joplin focuses more on note organization and privacy, offering end-to-end encryption for your data. It allows offline access, and you can save web pages as notes for later reference. Joplin is highly customizable, but it lacks the extensive template library and visual appeal of Notion. Pricing-wise, Joplin offers a basic free version with full note-taking capabilities. The premium plan starts at €2.40 per month for basic cloud services, $4.99 for Pro with more storage and sharing option, and $6.99 for the Teams plan, which includes collaboration features. So, which one should you choose? If you need an all-in-one workspace with advanced features, great design, and AI integration, Notion might be the better option, especially for teams and creative projects. However, if privacy, offline access, and open source customizations are your priorities, Joplin is an excellent choice, particularly for individual users who prefer a simpler, more secure note-taking solution. Ultimately, your